Khubor Pibaro ashkatup Khubor Jongi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Tini phachar ki mat ki bakongsan. Pelaj pajba u Chief Minister ke app bantin sogi ki nong yo pension. Kena udukot ke yeng dorbar saleng sangma badon ke jing bam sap hamman la ketena trekam sarkar. Ai jingmut ke HSPDPU met baling do ban ai keteng ke Mairang na ke Northwest Khasi Hills District. Kajing shngan tanwan lada 90% ki nong shong kila IT kaya da COVID-19 FV khachi. Ban mi u RJ Nikki ban persha jar ya kajing bret nyut pathar ki brio halinti na ishrwat cha umplin. Tementang ini phais ki khubor ki bakhambanya. Menteri Rang Ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ne kasngi ula pelaj pajba ya ka pensioners life certificate verification da ka thong ban pensogi ki nong yo pension ha ka Jylla. Menteri Rang ula ongru ba ki tu ki nong yo pension kim don kam ban mi ne yeng henre ki la ban phai ya ka life certificate link ba ka mobile ban yo ro ka pension jongki hakum ka ne ka por ba don ka khlam COVID-19.
Yeah. So this is the screen, the first screen of the app where the pensioner enters the PPO.
You have to enter the PPO number. We do the registration first. So when you register, so this is before you register, you just put in like the basic stuff for the pensioners, what needs to be done.
Congratulate NIC that with the kind of technology that's available in the market today, we can go to the level of ensuring that almost every service can be provided to the people without them having to visit any of the offices. The officials, and then they are informing me about the condition and the progress of the work that's going on. So this is how technology has helped us and enabled us to literally transform the entire administration and governance. And today's example that we saw is something that is of great help. At the same time, of course, digital identity is one aspect that is also very important. So Aadhaar becomes very important. We have been trying to ensure that Aadhaar coverage also goes up in our state. So these aspects also will have to be looked into, because ultimately we will find that as we move forward in governance, that most of the services will be linked to Aadhaar and similar, or at least in our country, the digital identity will be linked to that.
Udukot ka yeng dorbar thau an ka Meghalaya usaleng sangma ula ong balay ban penlong ding shan do tang ya katanat pen mi boarding electric but yo Menteri James PK sangma hapadon ka jing bam sap hamman la katanat trekam sarkar. Usaleng sangma ubalong unong mikmat nakaseng san himasima Nationalist Congress Party NCP ubakarshan ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ubalakran ki lapthai Khubor phangka jing e jong ki samla ba persang ban shimram na ki bank ulaong baka sarkar kariban slot kam ya ki officer sarkar ki babam sap bon ba ki officer ki babadi kate ka kardan tang katu kane por ki lathet kali thmai bat te yi ki yeng bhe laong usaleng sangma bat kentu ka sarkar ban le e ya kane Uniu nong mikmat ulaong baka jing bam sap kalong kabajur katanat kam karkhana namar ka jing bam tre jong ki officer ban ai ki certificate ki samla ban persang ban seng kam la jong ban yo aram na ki bank walada kata ka single window agency kalada minjur ya ki kerteng jong ki.
People used to talk about James when he was holding Home Minister. Now again he is being targeted after being, stripped off from the Home Minister. Why people are against the James? I don't know. Okay, people should also talk about the education scam. People should talk about the, the breach in, that valley bridge, which was already, damaged. And I would like to thank NHI, BRO, Nitin Gadkari, and Preston Tonsong for those who has already taken the initiative, at least to look after this particular bridge. But who was the main culprit behind? Whether it was a contractor, whether it was the transport who allowed that overloaded trucks to fly over that bridge, what was the way of the bridge? All those things are there. Not only the James, it's getting fed up, every day. What about the FCI and all, food production? What about the, COVID? All those things are there. Lots of scams are there from each and every department. But why James is to be targeted every now and then? It looks funny actually. Very funny. Very, very funny actually. Why James? James was stripped from the Home Minister. Now again he was given this, and again he has been targeted. I don't know why people are not targeting others. Industry. There are lots of single window which is already been cleared. Lots of entrepreneurs were there. Yesterday I have seen our Chief Minister entertaining our what do you call them, the entrepreneurs actually. Okay. What about those who want to do? Okay. In industry they are not allowing those who is already been released by the single window system. Why the department is still hanging all those things? Whether they need money to release the, what do you call this one? The one which is already been approved by the single window agency. Why it is like this? Why there is a lot of corruption in every department? They should see, they should terminate some of the officers. Huh? Why only the ministers? Those who are involved in the corruption, they should terminate. This is very funny actually.
Hadian bu Menteri Rang Ka Jylla Conrad ki sang mau lapin benapat ba ban kentiu kerdan no ekamai rang civil subdivision shaka district haswa ka jing rakhelai loit kari India. Hakakat santarik mentau benai naitung hajar aphuai kasang HSPDP kalali yakendu yu speaker ka Jylla ma met ba lingdo ling ba jong ban ai jing mut shaka sarkar Jylla ban ai kerteng no ekamai rang da northwest Khasi Hills district. Habe kerens kelap sai Khubor President ka HSPDP ba PK Pangyang olay tho baka seng ka komen ba Chief Minister kentiu kerdane ka mairang civil subdivision shaka district but usngo day ban ai kerteng ya ka mairang da ka northwest Khasi Hills district kumbala ai ka maukarwat da ka southwest Khasi Hills district ban ya bet ya biang lang kumkiwai.
Family pangba kung party idan ka ching ai chingot mar pangilayo ka ching tip basai nakasoka by ka mairang civil subdivision kan upgrade shaka district administration opura akabaka nakaliang jo ka sarkar limbaw Chief Minister long ba and inaugurate yakani shwa independence party don we kajing we all the sumu kajing sukumen bakrau bana government kajungi dan kau Chief Minister ide yang jing wa jing aga jong kamai subdivision ham tam kajing yalam jong ira medba ku local mele speaker wa ni report matrio ke district te nino consent ko we ka ba party ni wan mentarasi ajeng buat dia speaker menurut maya kekatan mairang civil subdivision banda pihak kentiu syaka district ni sudai but ni suyaha but ajeng buat but ada kekatan north west Khasi Hill district headquarter mairang north west Khasi Hill district headquarter mairang kalau baka kam yedei bata kapor ba ka sarkar ka rim habaki ay ka district southwest Khasi Hills kabadai ya ka maukrwat civil subdivision na ka banta ba ya biang lang ya ka kateng jong ka district kami kabalong ka west Khasi Hills district wat la ka maukrwat ka don ya ka kateng maukrwat civil subdivision Berhadin bangi ya perkat lang ki babun ki liang ki pramang galam ki paiba ki babun ki sui hape panai da southwest Khasi Hills teniru ni sudai ban kentu ki paiba jong kan ki mairang constituency bat ya ka mairang civil subdivision ko we ki kentu ya ka constituency jong babul minister dan burong jong ka mothrai shampu ba isudai ban ajmut ba kating northwest Khasi Hills district kan ya piang ya ke jisngo jo babun bara kata ka ke jisu khia ke jui tingle kendu markhat dingle ya share ke jumut jumur khat te iru yong ba ya ke ne ke ching ajmut ke chopi ka party ni yo lang ban ya kren lang ha ki babun balang ki baron ha ke ban ajmut ke ke bo khatam ban ai ka ting ya ka badan civil subdivision ka ba sa kino agkadan ka district administration opura.
Hini kesengi, nakalyang ka Secretary jong katanad Information and Public Relations. Kakong mat siu dor nong beri IAS, kalak khot ika jingelang jong ki try kot khubor, bat lat pathai khubor, kumjuru iki editor jong kanong ba. Lapan ya kani daka jingelang daka Director ka Information and Public Relations uba BS Solia, harengkat ka jingedon lang u Dr. Andreas Dakar, Surgeon Superintendent Civil Hospital Shillong, Dr. F.V. Karshiing, Joint Director DHS MI, Dr. P. Manar, Joint Director DHS MCH cum State Immunization Officer, Dr. B. De Cruz, Nodal Officer IEC COVID-19, ki try kot khubor bat lat pathai khubor, bat kumjuru ki editors na ki channel bapher. Hagan ka jingelang lapan syaya ka jingdon ki nong pang COVID-19, lapan iru ki jingdon, baladap IT ka ya dana ka klam COVID-19 ling baki presentations na i Dr. De Cruz bat Dr. Manar. Hadin ki jingkren la don ka jingyatai halor ki mat bakta ya ka imlang ka saalang kamtam hakum ka ni kapor. Layo ru ki jingkili bat ki jing ai jingmut na ki nongmi kmat ki la batai khubor. Nakaliang ki doctors ki la ai ka jingpensyai halor bon ki jingkili balabu akmat jongki. Nakaliang ki Dr. F.V. Karshiing haba jubab ya ka jingkili. Lanung in la ban yo biang ka por kumenshwa bam don kam bandeng mas ne ban shongsa hayeng klem mi shunu. Ila jubab tang lada la ban ai vaccine ya nyopo na ka shispa iki nong shong shnong ka jilla ka jinglong jingman ha ka jilla kan wan phai biang kumjo kum ha ki por barim bam don kam deng mas ha ka jing batai ki doctor la yoru ka jing penshai ba uniu khnyang jingpang u yap no hadien ba ka met yap jong ba pang corona ka poi ha po ka 100 degree centigrade. Lapan ko dia kan ka jingelang daki kentien ai khublei na uba R Nongklau, Deputy Director ka Information and Public Relations.
So this is very important to look at more cases. Otherwise, these cases are sunlight, then they will have more stress. So most of these type of cases, early testing is very important. And once we test that if the patient becomes positive, early treatment is very important. I used to tell my patient, if you can catch the patient early, then we can treat the treatment becomes easier. We can treat at home. We encourage the patient to be treated at home, what we call as home isolation. Okay? Like when the heart rate is still below 20, if the patient respiratory rate is still below 20, below 24, and then the oxygen saturation of the patient is still more than 94, we will prefer to treat the patient at home. But once the respiratory rate increases and the oxygen level of the body of the patient increases less than 94, it shows that the patient starts having inflammation of the lungs. So such patients need to be admitted to the hospital. So if the patient comes late, then you have to take the patient to the hospital. If the patient comes early, with just mild symptoms, then you can be treated at home. If the home is okay, it can be isolated. If not, patient can be treated in the corner classes. The problem is when the patient comes to before category C, D. In such patients where the oxygen has dropped to 90, sometimes even 89, 88, such patients will need hospitalization. Such patients need again need oxygen, high flow suspension, certificate of oxygen. So these are things we want to avoid. If we can avoid these things, then we can avoid death. And the next thing is tracking. Once we get the positive patient, then we will do a contact tracing. So such tracing is being done by the district authority. Patients will come for work to declare themselves that they have contact with the positive patient, so that advice can be given to them. We should not hide. So such education we need to give to them, because so that we can detect early cases, and early treatment is best. As with early treatment, we can treat it at home, we can take care by his own relatives, and then we are tracking.
Nakapor sa kapor ka jing ele ban pins ngau thui ki nong shong ka jilla chapang ka jing kordor ka jing khoit ka dang yai biteng. Lingbaki kam bajar jar henre ki barat ba jong uwei ni ki RJ ka jilla uba niki je ka radio mirchi Shillong. Kumshi benta ka ban pin khoit ka jilla lingbaka campaign my Shillong my pride nakaliang u RJ niki je ulamish khmat ban persha jar jar ka jing bret nyut ki patba na keleng ha kawe ka jaka kendong halinti na ishrwat sa umpling. Kaniga kam persat jar-jar jong ubat niki je, kelas dang na ka kendai terik mentau benai, da ka penloi ka jing persat jar-jar ka bahan riu haduk nyau kenta shisngi ha katehi ka jaka. Hadin kat tu kani sngi ki beriu ki bela don jingkit kli ya ka jilla, ki lawan lang skmat benai mensiam yu ubat nik, bat kaduk ha ka kat sau terik mentau benai naitung arajar arpwe, kedor bas nong umpling ru ka lawan lang ban persai ka jing bret nyut patar, da ka bapin khut ya kani ka jaka. Urang bas nong kan umpling ula ai jing yaro ya kani ka jinglam linti uba nik bola ai khublei ru namar ba uba nik ula ai mensi yaki babun ban long ki balek khun bola ai ru ka jingkersan bakin long bapet ngor bat ban yo jingkersan ka bor an ru ban pensitam ting ya kino ki babret pathari kinyut ha ki jaka bam dei bread URJ niki je ula yathu shu bakani ka jingpen khut ya kani ka jaka ka dei tang ka jing sedang bat kam de ka jingkut jong ka jing bread nyut pathar Ulabu eka jing dawasha ka sarkar jilla ban pet ban penbiang ya ka jaka baki patba kidei ban bread ikinyut bat ki jaklia.
So we will be having a cleanup of this place, a temporary solution to this problem, and well, let's see. We'll speak to the authorities of the Dorbashnong and try to get to know what is the plan of action ahead, or is it just mere a cleanup that we intend to do every time and every time. Right, let me get on to business and then I'll catch up with you guys. Apa ini? But kani kajingwan berat pathar pada jongki nong snong naki way kisnong. Kay bidon beren ong alor kata.
Ya kani yang ila ai bursian lek baga jing. Lek baga jing tho. Uang ila ai bursian way ki brio. Dicur jungi kalong ketua bagi salian dia macam
susi namar bah kacing wat ki sakhi sabut ngilapa kidon kinong snong ru nong pling ki babret kidon ki bawan naru time kra kidon ki bawan bread naru renja kidon bawan bread naru hodan ting kini ki basa sini grim sul ki ya linti bat ki boni bangi lap ki mar gitar geng ne kide ki banayin kide ki household waste baki one bread chani te nakaliang dong ka Dorbashnong hi kay kata ka jing maham tune kumangi hang ne pi ka signboard hang ne hadien kala dan lupa apa ka PI ka jing maham halor ka surveillance ru kadan bat kumjo ka jing maham nakaliang Dorbashnong te sien ngatrai kadan kam bapin banrap yang halor ka jing maham ka ba tune nakaliang dong ka Dorbashnong umplik
halor ka di ngikwa ka jing trailang juga law enforcement authority like the police station ka ba ladangi kem kini ban kloy ban wan bangin expose ay kini gibale
correct
badangin me expose kan dumlong ra kanya and marmi tekna yung imdon ka authority adu
correct
but we maybe suit inside. Then kita betul enforcement authority ke bah tik sipur pelak tegi okey mungkin wan lalu kita lalinyo kini kita ini men expose banyak gini kem jingma pula dah kini kita Shillong ini kita nak.
Te abi dei bat ka kata ka funding na ka banta ka dorbar Shillong mo baka na bakan la menteri halor ka waste management te ke bidon batong halor kata
Masuk ladang gila benda saya kata nak kalau sarkar kan long bendo sibur ini bat kan long ban ai sim kini kijumi kemar ba policing hang ni especially hadir melawan ke lockdown kalong ka ba kalong ka ba bat kamlong ka balong sikit tu kapan tarai sini usai kibri tu an kam kuah begini kijumi kan long berada kelak belum kuki extractionism bakin pada kadang tak anyi benda pada ki uniform personal ke penglai juga konsen baka police station tu hakini ki asli hadir menglai posting lebih lang baju ni nilaikan bagi sector officer ya kan dia bagi law bagi fix meeting bagi ni wan yang sini bagi dia keren dia kan bangin up ya kita meeting ke badan baki masngo ba cington je pila IMC ni bagi la arrange cok buat bila involve kuma pila ajing buat last time bakiwan sini untuk yang main involved try je blood honors bakin take care ke jaga juki
correct
mentang lawan yang namanya try ni ro khom jui kami jui try ba walam bab sit melawan hang ni ro pani try lang bat ni bat ya kan dia ka iu bat care no ya kan dia biang book signboard nang tangin belum no lembar ka di JCB ba kan tu kan ni wat na di ro la kloy na kayang kujukin kilo bak kilo kaya le ka fencing tang baki video tiban kita hi ka traffic bayad ang ni matar ko ba ka sai la dang check ni kalingin na po
correct
lagi lap hi baki don kitir kila hiya pinyo
hai
kata ko ga bangi sim sistem baban polisin kan so la kan lada kila bat post tang na po ka police station ro bai tang argot gibreo ro kalabiang for some time then you'll get used to this
aku abnai kuble ye ba sanwat kungdom ibade I Bang Shillong ba besu bala don nang ni bidang baik ya ka tray yong kam but akan ni por ni kwa saksian ban om ye pi ki ba namar ba kan ni ka kam kadi ka habang ni kan ni waste management kadi ka jing ba kli jonga but jong hilang baroi di ladang ni ki try Shillong ki try mo ladang hindan ka jing ba kli ke ka dorba Shillong ni kato kalam kani ka jing ba kli dong iwe pe iwe berwanra yang ni ka jing kala oi kani kadang dei tang si benta da ka bang isu rum hilang ni koi ya kani mereka tma usha ya ka bret ni di kam pot bat ni kan man banang ni syakmat intang yo betrei tene rengkat bat ka dorba Shillong komplit hakni kita yo banwan ngan wan yang saci sien wan yai berwan pek bat ladang ilap pada badang dan tiba badang pret lese ina banwan hadu tribing jopi banwan ban ujor ban lese ban le nakai ka balong badang kam wat ladang iha ban lechi ka sheri lu dikroy bele de saksien ka jingai ko baby ban ikermen bagani kan kani kalong nuksa pada nak benta ki weki Shillong kitau bak kan no badang kam kata ka jingi trailang berwanra ya ka jikla
Badaki di Khubor ngila po siya bakot tat hadu bingin ni Shembiang kublay shibon.